Let's move on and talk about Voltas, which recently held an analyst meet where it said that there will be no signs of slowdown in its products business. Surprising. It also said that it is difficult to undertake a price hike due to a prolonged monsoon, which of course is always a positive. Sharad Dubey is here with us with an update on the three product verticals that it has. Sharad, what do you have for us?
Yes, Agam. I think the first one we'll discuss is the room air conditioning business segment. The management was very, positive about it, and the company itself is having almost 24% market share. Now, the key takeaways from this segment is that the room AC industry continues to defy the broader economic slowdown, and it is partly supported by a favorable base of last year. Apart from this, Onam sales in Kerala did impact, the sales, which was due to floods and which has now actually picked up. The consumption trend has shifted towards the energy efficient inverter ACs, and other categories like refrigerators has not seen any consumption slowdown yet. The management has maintained both outlook and margin guidance of 11% for FY20. And lastly, the plans to expand the capacity of the greenfield capacity of almost 1 million units in Tirupati, involving a capex of almost 500 crores, will be done over the next 5 years. Now, again, we see the projects business. The projects business is a mixed bag. We'll see the first one being the delay in metro projects is something which is a matter of concern for the company. And the company also stated that they have a healthy domestic order inflows, and their rural electrification project is right on track. Apart from this, there is also kind of a dismay, for its international orders as the execution remains slow, and the provisions have also been made for its Oman orders due to region-specific issues in its JV. And lastly, the management stated that the orders could see a pickup, in the next couple of quarters going into FY20. Apart from this, we talk about the joint venture between Voltas and Becos JV, and there is actually kind of a mixed results here as itself, because the launch is expected to have being a bit staggering, when it comes to the festive season, as the investment phase is expected to gradually ramp up as Sanandhan plant gets commissioned by FY20. Even the lira depreciation has led to a further restriction in imports, and investment of almost 100 million by Voltas is expected when the project becomes operational. And lastly, the investment phase will actually continue for the next 3 to 4 years. So we see that the festival season is something which we'll be looking out for, as the entire industry is having a problem with the price hikes. So that is something we'll be watching out for this festive season. Back to you.
All right, Sharad, thanks very much for that.